Hello, this is Bobby for TV Repair. The video today, which is not a functionality proof, it's going to be a few clues, and I will only publish it after I hear from our customer that what we did actually worked. A local TV technician, that is a local TV repairman who services the Dallas-Fort Worth area, brought us that board. They often bring us boards, less often the whole TV, but they brought us that board. EBR74825301, asking us to repair it, and knowing that we didn't have a TV to test it on, but they often do that, and sometimes we are repairing them quite fine. The board had those two shorted, except that's how they look. They're in TO262 package, and the number of those is, I had it a minute ago, 30F133. So those were right here and here. And as you can see, we've replaced them with TO260. This is 262, so this is whatever that packaging is. We replaced them with bigger ones and not the same. This is not 30F131. After some looking around, those are those reportedly IGBT 300 volts at 30 amps. And what we have is a bunch of different ones that are, that's what I picked, IRG 7S 313U, which I believe can be sourced well in America's, good quality transistors at 330 volts at 40 amps IGBTs. So with some cleaning and hacking, we put those two in place. I will switch my attention to those in a short while. Those seem to be 30F126. I'll have to go and dig those. I know we don't have them. But if we have something better and bigger, current and voltage wise, we will substitute them. I believe the reason for that problem, it may have been a casualty, but more likely that was the reason for this failure, was this capacitor here that is blown. Sometimes they just break and create an overrush current that kills the power transistors. I've made other videos showing the same thing on buffer boards or sustain boards. Probably that's what it was. We'll have to find out what it was. It's probably going to be the exact same as the other one, 10 nanofarads or whatever. We will take off the second one, see the value, and replace one or both of them, and then we'll give the board to the local TV technician. We'll check carefully other components. Right now those two are not off yet. They test shorted. I measured one of those diodes were shorted, but we'll find out whether they were or they weren't after I pull those. So once we do all that, we'll proof everything. We'll trace the gate circuits of the transistors that fail, make sure that the drivers for those gates are also looking good, the equalizing resistors in the gate circuits. And we'll give the board, and if the local TV technician reports success, I will publish that video for everybody to know that, you don't have to have the exact same equivalent. Sometimes you can do the job right away with just a little research and picking proper components. Good luck in your repairs. Hopefully that we'll see online and we'll help somebody. Thanks.